Hi, I'm Jason. If you're running a local business and still manually replying to leads, forgetting follow-ups, or missing appointments, you're probably losing customers every single week. And the crazy part about it is most local businesses don't need more leads, they need better systems. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how local businesses are using GoHighLevel to automate follow-ups, capture more leads, and book more appointments and grow faster, even if you're a complete beginner. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is basically an all-in-one business automation platform. Instead of using one tool for texting and another for email, another for booking appointments, another for funnels, and another for customer management, GoHighLevel combines everything into one dashboard. That's why so many local businesses are switching to it, especially businesses like salons, gyms, real estate companies, dentists, restaurants, home service businesses, agencies, because automation saves time and helps you respond to leads faster. Now, why local businesses need a CRM? Here's the reality. Most local businesses lose customers because leads never get contacted, follow-up is inconsistent, appointments get forgotten, and reviews don't get collected. A CRM fixes those problems, and GoHighLevel is more than just a CRM. It's also a marketing platform, an automation system, a lead management tool, and an appointment booking system, all in one. The first thing I'll be showing you how to do is how to set up your CRM pipeline. So once on GoHighLevel, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select opportunities. After selecting opportunities, here you'll be able to set up your pipeline, and I want you to think of this as your customer journey. So you're going to tap on pipelines from the top and you're going to tap on create pipeline, and depending on the business or the niche you're in, you can give the pipeline a name and you can choose the different stages. So for example, your stages could be new lead, contacted, appointment schedule, customer one, and follow-up needed. So here's a pipeline that I created. If I were to select opportunities, you can see a dental CRM. So we have new lead, consultation scheduled, appointment booked, treatment completed, and follow-up needed. So this helps organize every lead so nothing slips through the cracks. One of the biggest mistakes local businesses make is relying on memory. That doesn't work once leads start increasing. Automation and organization become extremely important. Step 2. Building a simple lead funnel. Next, you'll want a lead funnel. This is basically a simple page where customers enter their information. So by going over to the left-hand menu option, you can tap on sites. And let me show you a quick lead funnel that I've created. As you can see right here, once someone visits my lead funnel, from there they'll be able to read about my offer. They can scroll down, they'll be able to watch videos or so on, and you can also choose whether you like to book a free discovery call. And if they were to tap on this button right here, they'll be able to access my free ebook, and you can see it pops up right there. From here, I'll be able to collect the lead information. They can enter in their name and email address. After they have done that, they're just going to tick the boxes right here and select submit, and that's how you'll be able to collect a lead. After you have collected the name, phone number, email, or service request, you will keep it simple. Most local businesses make their forms way too complicated. A simple form just like what I have shown you usually converts better. The goal is to start conversations quickly, and to create a lead funnel on GoHighLevel is quite easy. You'll simply tap on new funnel. After you have selected new funnel, what I would recommend you do if you're a complete beginner is select from templates. Then you'll tap on continue. From here, you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. And you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you'll be able to browse the templates by different categories, as you can see right here. And you can select whichever one of these you would like to use. And also when it comes on to create the form, you can select forms, and from here you could tap on create form. And you can also choose from a template, or you can choose to create one from scratch. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that, I'll be leaving a link in the description to show you how to do that. Now, this is where GoHighLevel becomes extremely powerful. When someone fills out your form, GoHighLevel can instantly send a text message, send an email, trigger reminders, or notify your team automatically. So to set this up, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and select Automations. Then you're going to tap on Create Workflow. And by the way, let me show you a quick example of how it would look. So by tapping on Lead Follow-up, once I tap on Lead Follow-up right here, once someone has submitted their form, from there I'll send the lead an SMS. Then I can also send them a follow-up email. After doing that, I can schedule a reminder. Then depending on their reply, I'll send an internal notification to my team. So this is perfect. Another example is if someone requests a code from your local business, they can instantly receive a message like, "Hey John, thanks for contacting us. Someone from our team will reach out shortly." That immediate response builds trust fast, and speed matters. The business that responds first usually wins the customer. And you'll be able to edit the messages by tapping right here. You can see how it looks. Thank you for reaching out. We have received your submission and we'll get back to you shortly. To set this up, once you have selected workflow, so I'm just going to tap on confirm right there. All you need to do is tap on bill using AI, and you can type in the type of automation that you want, and the GoHighLevel AI will quickly build one out for you. The next step I'll be showing you is appointment booking. Now let's talk about it. Instead of going back and forth trying to schedule customers manually, you can simply send them your booking link. To create a booking link, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and select calendars. Then you're going to select calendar settings. After selecting calendar settings, you're going to tap on connections, then tap on add new. From here, you can choose to connect your Google Calendar, for example, your Outlook calendar, your iCloud calendar, or your Calendly calendar. Once you have connected the calendar, you're going to tap on availability, and from here you'll be able to set up the time that your service will be available. After you're finished setting that up, you're just going to tap on preferences and you can further customize it. Once you're finished customizing it to your liking, you'll tap on calendars. After selecting calendars, from here you'll be able to edit the calendar. So for example, we could select edit calendar. You can upload your calendar logo, scroll down, add in a description and so on. You can also add in staff and location, booking rules and so on. You'll be able to fully customize it to your liking. Once you're finished, you'll tap on share calendar and you'll be able to copy the link and you can send them the booking link. Once you have sent them the booking link, they'll be able to tap on the booking link. From there, they'll be able to select a service, select a date, select a time, and GoHighLevel automatically confirms the appointment, sends a reminder, and also this will help to reduce no-show. So this saves local businesses a massive amount of time, especially service businesses that rely heavily on appointments. So to set that automation up, you will simply go back to automation and let me show you the workflow that I'm talking about. So you can see it right here, appointment confirmation reminder. So once they have set up their appointment, they'll receive a confirmation email. Then 24 hours before the appointment, they'll get a reminder email. An hour before the appointment, they're going to get a reminder email and a reminder SMS. And I'll also remind them 5 minutes before, just to ensure that they still want to follow through with the appointment and to reduce no-shows. Now, the next step I'll be showing you is review and reputation management. One of the most underrated GoHighLevel features for local businesses is reputation management. After a customer visits, you can automatically send a review request. That helps you collect more Google reviews, Facebook reviews, and testimonials. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you'll scroll down and you're just going to tap on reputation. From here, you can tap on send review requests. And reviews are huge for local businesses. More positive reviews usually means more trust, better ranking, and more customers. So you can quickly select the customer name right here. After you have selected the customer name, from there it is going to fill out the contact details. Then from there you can choose the mode that you would like to respond, and you're just going to tap on send review request. It's as easy as that. Now let's quickly talk about some common beginner mistakes. First, overcomplicating automations. You want to start simple. You don't need advanced workflows on day one. Secondly, slow follow-up. Local customers move fast. You need instant responses and no appointment reminders. Reminder systems dramatically reduce no-shows. Who should use GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel works especially well for local businesses that depends on appointments, need lead follow-up, want more automation, or you run paid ads and need better organization. If your business relies on customers contacting you online, this platform can save you a lot of time and potentially help you close more customers. The reason so many local businesses are moving toward automation is simple. Customers expect fast responses now. If you take hours to reply, someone else gets the customer. GoHighLevel helps you solve that problem, especially for businesses trying to grow consistently. If you want to try GoHighLevel for your local business, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you want more videos on business automation, CRM tutorials, lead generation, and AI tools for local businesses, make sure to subscribe. I'll be posting more beginner-friendly tutorials to help local businesses grow faster online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.